None of this started as a real product. I was just trying to save one problem for one person. About a few weeks ago, I was still working on two projects. One was the startup I'm co-founding, and the other one was Bay, the project from last year. But I was running out of cash, so I made a post saying I could build anything anyone wanted, either a mobile app or even a POS system. Then one of my friends said, "Oh really? You better start with me." We had a good laugh. Then I got to work. So I built his POS system. It wasn't complete though, but it worked. It did most of the core features it was supposed to do. So I ended up opting for a hybrid system, meaning that it could work both online and offline, especially offline in the case that when you used it while you're offline, it could sync back to the cloud when the internet came back. And the other advantage of having cloud storage was that it allowed me to build a secondary app or a mobile app for his system so that he could use the same system on his phone, meaning he could manage the same things on his phone as he did on his PC. So the coming 2 weeks after that, we didn't redesign anything. Mostly we just fixed problems as they appeared. So real usage of the system changed more than planning ever did. We had to add a couple more features, a couple more things as we went. Then someone else wanted the same system but customized to their preferences. So I rebuilt parts of the system again, better interface, newer features that were tailored to that individual's business. It had a better UI than the first version. So after I had built it, then disclosed the payment agreements and all that, the guy just vanished. So Mr. Vanisher made me realize something. So it dawned on me that every new client meant I had to redesign some features of the same system again. Different design, different setup, but it was solving the same problem. So instead, what I thought was, why don't I just combine the systems that I had built? I was going to take the features from the first system I had built because it had more features since it was developed as it was working, and then the UX from the second system, and just combine them into one system that anyone can actually use. Now the goal had changed. I'm now building one system for multiple businesses. I kind of had to discover that most of the POS systems out there or the business systems out there, they are too clunky. They have a lot going on. They don't serve the initial problem. There are just so much going on, of which the core features that they should have, they don't. They have so many things that people don't actually use. So while I was adding user management and authentication to the system, I broke the login system completely. I know, right? When you're trying to fix something, you break something. So some things still don't work the way they should, like the receipts print, but the last lines get cut off. The edges get cut unless you fix it manually in the printing setting. And the mobile app connects to the printer, but it's not actually printing the receipts. At first I thought it was the Bluetooth settings, because in the Bluetooth settings it says it's paired, but when you press the connect button, it actually doesn't work. So I thought that was the problem, but other apps actually work though. So it must be my plugin that I implemented in the code or something. If you have dealt with something like this before, I would genuinely like to know what the cause of the mobile app not printing is. About it in the comments if you have faced a similar problem. So the system now has two different directions. The first direction is the business setup, which encompasses a PC or a computer or those huge POS things, and then a mobile access to that said system. Then the second one, which is a lighter version, is for small businesses that only need an application. So you just have the app, do your sales on your app, check your inventory on your app, and do all those core system features. So it's the same system, different scale. So if you're wondering or want to try the app, I think I'll put a waitlist in the description so that you can register to check it out. Then I think I'll put a like 14-day free trial for it, so you can test it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should fix or any of that. I'd like your feedback on this one.